Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix League of Legends client not opening. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your League of Legends client is not opening, there are several steps you can do to fix it. So first thing is to restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary issues or stuck processes, or you can also try to run as an administration. Simply click on your League of Legends shortcut and run it as an administrator. This will now give a proper relaunch to your game, which will also fix the problem. You can also end Riot and League of Legends processes by simply clicking on Ctrl Shift Esc. So you can simply go to the properties and simply check if you have disabled any properties in it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.